What do you got in here? You got any surprises for us? Oh, Jesus.
Okay.
Whoa.
Yeah. That.
Look at, oh gosh.
That.
Look at the front.
Yeah. I think we could probably just throw some brake clean on that, right? Let's get, get it under the light here so people
I think
can
that
really
seal is done for.
Welcome, boys and girls, to another edition of
What are we flipping today? What are we flipping today? What are we flipping today?
All right.
What are we flipping today?
We are off for another flip. We're going to pick up another go-kart today. So stick around. We're going to jump in the car and head to go get it. Guys, welcome back. If you're new, welcome. Man, I have missed you. Did you do something to your hair? You look fabulous. Glad you're here. Come along. I'm going to show you what we picked up. I know I told you we were going to pick up a little go-kart the other day. Got it home. I'm just about to start digging into it, but I want to show you guys what we're working with here. So it looks like an old Manco single-seater, but it's all there. The engine will run. It just needs a different... The carburetor's been leaking fuel out of it, so we got to get a different carburetor on there. Seat's in good condition. I'm going to get the pressure washer out and hit this thing and see if we can't clean it up a little bit. Haven't decided how far I want to go with this thing yet. I don't know if I want to do a Craigslist rebuild with it or if I just want to clean it up, get it running, and sell it that way. Obviously, if I put a little bit more time into it, I can get a little bit more money for it. We'll see. So I'm going to get the pressure washer out and start cleaning this bad boy. Okay, got her sprayed down a little bit. Wasn't too bad. I think I'm actually going to see if this thing might bark off real quick. I'm going to shoot some starter fluid in there. The guy did say that the carburetor leaks from the bottom down here. I've ordered a new carburetor for it already. It's already here, but I just want to make sure it's going to bark off really quick before I get too far into this. Sure start. She's a runner, boys. Yes! And girls. All right. So the gentleman I bought this from did say straight up in the ad that the carburetor leaked. He said it leaked out the bottom, which is kind of BS. It's actually leaking right out of that tube right there. The minute you pour gas in there, it was pouring right out there.
Like a solid stream.
So did you confirm whether the throttle was locked full open?
It didn't seem like it.
Okay. So we're going to get this yanked off of here so we can take a look at this carb and figure out what's going on, why the fuel's not shutting off.
All right, carb is pulled off. Shane should be digging into that now.
Okay, that is a bad indicator right there. That just dropped out of the carburetor.
That looks rusty. Okay.
So let's...
What do you got in here? You got any surprises for us?
Oh my
Jesus.
Okay.
God.
Whoa.
Yeah. That.
Look at, oh gosh.
That.
Look at the front.
Yeah. I think we could probably just throw some brake clean on that.
I think,
Get it under the light here so people
I think
can
that
really
seal is done for.
Oh, dude. Put some Vaseline on there, dude.
Oh goodness. Okay.
Yeah.
I don't know why that would make it leak the way it did, but that's just definitely why.
Well, that.
Oh, yeah.
I just had to
see.
unstick that. So
That's why it was leaking. The float was stuck.
that's making me think we can fix it.
Okay. Yeah. Let's try and dissect this thing down to bare
Okay.
bones.
New challenge. Can we make this run on that?
Okay.
I don't think so, but we're gonna give it a try.
Okay, we're gonna dissect this and see how much we can clean it off, and we'll let you guys know. Oh my gosh, look at this. Just in case we can't get it cleaned and looking right, just because we're already having such an issue getting the float, that little rod that holds the float in, we literally can't get it out. It's seized in there. Let's see if ChatGPT can't find us an exact replacement, because the one that he kind of has is the old petcocks are angled wrong, won't be able to work.
So here's one thing you can do with ChatGPT. Click on the input, click camera. We're going to take a picture of the model of this carb. Find me an exact replica or exact carburetor to match this one based on the numbers stamped into it.
What do you got for us? Searching Amazon. Oh,
QMB 139 style 50cc 4-stroke carb, the common Chinese, blah, blah, blah. Okay, universal parts carburetor. Find what I need on Amazon, please. I just want to see if it ends up looking like
what
this
the
one.
hell? That's not right at all.
Hold on. The carburetor I just sent you the model number for on the picture is for an old Manco single-seater go-kart, Alma. I need a replacement carburetor based on the model number in the picture I just sent you.
It was still thinking we're working on that scooter.
What's that?
It was still thinking that we were working on that scooter.
That's what I'm thinking too, because that's the carburetor. Okay, here we go. A Loman-Fly small engine carburetor for...
Oh, that looks right.
Oh.
That looks right. New gasket, the old petcock's on the right side, so you guys see that. The one that originally we got, right here.
Yeah.
The fuel is gonna go right into where this bolts up. It's not sure what that's for. I mean, that's not gonna work. So we want to match like that, and that one looked like it will.
I'm thinking that's it. Dude.
That looks perfect.
Oh, there's the choke right there.
Yeah, that looks the exact same, and it
right
comes with
underneath.
the new gasket that was destroyed.
$16.99.
16, not 60.
$16.99.
Don't call our viewers. I'll stand up for you guys. Don't worry. Let me know if I can give
So
them.
we've spent a little money. We've ordered a starter for another scooter. We're ordering a carburetor for the go-kart here. We're making progress.
That's all it's about. Progress. Keep making progress, and you'll finally get to your end result of being able to enjoy these things, and then getting some money off of them. That's always the goal. So now we're back to the waiting game of waiting for Amazon to come by.
That
You
go-kart
will
should
run.
be a simple fix with that new carburetor.
All right, guys, we are back on this go-kart. We left off last time looking at a pretty nasty carburetor that I will say jokingly attempted to say we might use again, but no, we're not going to use that again. I went ahead and ordered one. It took a couple days to actually get here, but we've got it now, and it looks exactly like the other one, minus all the corrosion. We're going to go ahead and try and get this thing installed on there, get this thing running, take it for a rip. So one thing I noticed right off the bat, it came with this new gasket right here, but it did not come with a new one of these. And as you can see, this one's a little shaky. I'm hoping we can get away with it for now, because I don't think I have one that looks like this. So we're going to continue on. I'm actually going to take a little razor scraper and I'm going to scrape off any type of residue off that little pipe right here so the gasket can fit clean. Yeah, there's a little bit of stuff on there. Okay, let's see if that'll work. So we got the new carburetor hooked up, but I had to finagle a little hookup between the throttle arm and the top of the carburetor. Again, when we got this thing, it was just pumping gas out the side of the carburetor, and so we had no way to know if it was all running or would run, or if it was even all hooked up right. So I'm going to put a little gas in it now. Hopefully it doesn't spew out like it did before, which I think will be good. And then we will try and fire this thing up, see if we can take it for a ride. We're not going to put that much in just in case there's something going on with it again. Let's check and see if we got spark. I am not seeing any spark. Let's pull the spark plug out and see what's going on with it. Yep. Pretty damn certain that's the problem. This thing is corroded up. All right, we got a new spark plug. We're gonna put it in and see if it barks off. Now let's see if we're getting spark with this one now. There we go. Now we're getting spark. At least the tester says we're getting spark. Let's turn the choke on. Oh, there we go. Let it warm up for a second. Man, seems like it's always the spark plug, right? Well, she's running now. We're gonna let her just warm up for a minute, and then we're gonna see if she'll actually drive. And it's shaking big time. There we go. Here goes nothing. Oh man, she's running. This thing's a little ripper, man. Holy smokes, I'm gonna have to get my phone on this, see how fast it goes. I could be way off, but I'm guessing this thing goes at least 25-30 miles an hour. Well, she runs. All right, as promised, we are going to head out there with our speedometer app, and we are going to get a top speed on this thing. All right, I haven't even looked at what the speed is yet. Let's turn it on. 27 miles per hour. So I said 25 to 30. That was exactly right. I don't know if there's any adjustments that can be done on it to make it go a little faster, but 27 miles an hour sitting, 4 inches off the ground feels pretty dang quick when you're on a go-kart. So success. Like it. Now we're going to see if we can get it up for sale and double our money. Hey, I wanted to fill you in on a couple things that I did with this go-kart that helped me out using ChatGPT. So the first thing I did was I didn't even really know much about this go-kart. I just knew it was a Manco single-seater. I took a picture of the engine and the go-kart and uploaded it into ChatGPT. It told me exactly what it was, and it told me exactly what carburetor to order, which I did and just installed, as you saw. Like I said in the video, when we got that new carburetor on, somehow there's a throttle arm in there that works in conjunction with the gas pedal, but there was nothing to hook it to the top of the carburetor. So I took a picture of it, put it into ChatGPT, and it basically just said you need a little linkage pin, something like that, and I just was able to create one. Either way, it did help me out immensely in just getting that carburetor ordered, because we wouldn't be here with a running go-kart. ChatGPT for the win. We're gonna get this thing up for sale now.
As always, thanks for watching. Tune in every Tuesday and Saturday for new videos. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Those likes really help us out with the YouTube algorithm. Until next time, RevRender out.